Hello, San Diegans. With rain again in the forecast later on this week, I'm just here to convince you to plant some native plants or spread some native seeds in your yard this week. So whenever you plant a native plant, you're not just planting a beautiful smelling plant with beautiful flowers for you to enjoy, but you're planting habitat for animals, food and forage for caterpillars and butterflies, a place for pollinators to come and do what they do. You're planting an entire ecosystem and you're helping all of the plants and animals associated with this thrive. For example, this little bundle of twigs might not look like much right now, but in a few months it will reveal itself to be a narrow-leaf milkweed. Milkweed plants are incredibly important because they are the only host plant that monarchs use to lay their eggs on. This means that there is an incredibly dependent relationship between monarchs and milkweeds. So the bonkers thing about all of this is that a monarch butterfly can detect a milkweed plant from over a mile away. This means that if you plant a milkweed in your yard, you are broadcasting out a signal a mile radius wide that will attract monarchs to your yard. And isn't that incredible? Every single species of native plant to San Diego has these millennia-old relationships between themselves, the other plants, pollinators, insects, and birds. And so whenever you're planting a plant in your yard that is California native, you are allowing these relationships to continue on, for them to thrive, and for these connections to remain intact. It's a very small act that will have a very big impact. So please consider planting some California and San Diego native plants in your yard this week.